Coming down the stairs on a lazy, rainy Sunday morning, but the thrill of the ride keeps you awake, right? Good morning, people. Good morning, YouTube. Welcome to my channel. So, guys, we are here at McDonald's Colombo, and here is Amay, and here is Dilip. Again on his classic RX 135, and right now, guys, our destination has changed. We are now heading towards Tamhini Ghats. They're in Sahara, Ambi Valley, near Ambi Valley, right? So that is where we are heading to. Let's see what comes up. It is not raining right now. I wish that it rains somewhere in between. Barish honi chahiye, but it is sunny right now, and it's going to be hot. So we're going to ride right now, and सीधा चल यहाँ से आजा from here. Yes, damn sure. See this? So guys, we are here at Khandala Ghats. As you can just see the view. There is Khopoli over there, and this is the expressway right here. I really couldn't stop myself from logging over here. Just see here. It's just like heaven. क्या हुआ?
नोटिस कर, ये जो पूरा है ना, ये फॉक्स ये पूरा घूम रहा है अपने में.
Exactly.
नोटिस कर दे.
Just see this. My goodness. And this is our lineup. So after having quite a lot of discussions since the past 3 to 4 days, only 3 bikers, including me, have turned up. And there is Dilip right there, and there is Amay, and
take me
the roads. Dost, Tiger Point, Tiger Point. Thank you. Just see over there. I mean, there is no road. Reach. Where are we right now? Shit. So guys, at last we have reached here at Tiger Point, and it is so crowded. As if the whole of Mumbai has turned up over here. Just see the crowd, guys. My goodness. इधर आ इधर. ऊंट यहाँ पे क्या कर रहा है?
So freaking awesome. And in the background, that is the place where we're going to sit, have our tea and stuff. There are bikes parked right down there. That is the story so far. We're going to be here for the next 1.5 to 2 hours. Afterwards, we are going to go towards Tamhini Ghat, which is about to leave now. And just look at the background. Just look at it. It is very foggy. It is very windy. और इतनी जोर की हवा चल रही थी कि the chairs were all going. Just see here. I don't know if you can hear the sound of the wind or not, but it is no words. And right now we are heading towards want to say something? And there's Priya out there. और कुछ तो आके गई हो. I don't know whether she wanted to say something, but freak. So it is time for us to leave. And these are our bikes. And here is Dilip and Amay. Amay हमेशा टेंशन में रहता है, I think. And these are the shacks over here where you get stuff to eat and all. Okay guys, we are heading towards Tamhini Ghats. See you in a while. Ciao. क्या हुआ? You have 20. दे दे उसको दे दे. अमय उसको वहाँ पे
चिल्लर है
उसको मैं खा लेके. अच्छा ओके. नहीं एक साथ भरेंगे तो मैं सोचा वही. So guys, we are on our way towards Tamhini Ghats now. This road, if you go straight, leads to Sahara Ambi Valley, but we are not going there. In between there is going to be a right turn. We're going to take that. So filhal, just see the roads. It is so spooky out here. As you can see, it's 1:10. in the afternoon, and it's already feels like it's night time or evening or something.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one, only one. Until I broke the rules, my life destroyed. Life destroyed. Until I walk awake, scream my mind, I shout, the ground shakes. How much can I take? My mind will break. Will it break? Can I take? Can I be your superhero? Superhero. Can I be your superhero? Superhero. Superhero. Fly away. It's the first time of today. Today. To dream, believe. You are the strength, you're all I need. Need. Oh, gonna give it a shot. Only one of me to shield you all from the enemy. You're a superhero. You're a superhero. Can I be your superhero? Superhero. 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 Can I be your
So guys, as you can see, the way towards Tamhini Ghat, the roads are really in a very bad shape. It's almost like doing off-roading. So be careful guys. But look at the landscapes. I mean, it is so mesmerizing. क्या हुआ? हाँ?
रास्ते में तो रुका था, बहुत पानी था इधर, अभी स्टॉप हुआ है ना अभी
इसी के लिए.
जुलाई होगा.
So guys, as you can see, it is raining, and this is our lineup right here. We are on the way towards Tamhini Ghats now. We have covered almost 70% of the stretch. We had to stop away, but just because of this landscape, guys. Guys, we are just now crossing Tamhini Ghats, and we have stopped here for a while to enjoy the view. Just here guys, almost maybe 200 feet drop off. Just see the canyons over there. There's some small waterfall over there, small stream kind of a thing, and this is why the Tamhini Ghats are known for their steep drop-offs and gorgeous scenarios and landscapes like this.
So guys, we have stopped in between, and as you can see, it's a small hut kind of a thing. We have almost crossed Tamhini Ghats, and we are totally drenched in the rain. It's been raining like crazy, and as my channel's name goes, Rider Extreme, yes, the extreme rides have begun, at least for me. It was a bit of off-roading in between. My CBR 250 liters, as you know, it's a tourer. It's not meant for off-roading, but there was a big stretch in between, which was like totally, there was no road at all. It was like all stones were here and there. It was like a small kacha road kind of a thing, and fortunately it went through. Awesome ride it was. It has been so far. You know, right now it's already 2:30 in the afternoon, and we are going to have our lunch in between. We are going towards Pali Road, that is, and so just see the background. See you guys in a while. Ciao.